How to schedule dark mode to turn on automatically between sunset to sunrise on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, then tap on display. Now on the display page, go down and tap on dark mode settings. In here, tap on turn on as scheduled. Tap on the toggle button to turn on schedule, and then you can tap on sunset to sunrise. This is also the default option. If you want, you can also set a custom schedule, but in this video, we will focus on the sunset to sunrise. And that's it. So from now on, when your phone is when the time is between sunset and sunrise, the phone will turn on dark mode automatically for you. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.